Hello, and welcome to the dictée for Thursday, May 12th. This month, we'll be focusing on fairy tales. This dictée is based on characters that you would often see in fairy tales. The next dictée will be focused on a different aspect, each one building onto itself. Let's get started. The verb this week is être, but it's written in the past tense of l'imparfait. The reason why we are studying l'imparfait is because fairy tales and often other stories are written in the past tense, as in something has already happened. In which case, the students will also need to learn how to write in the past tense. But since this is not a requirement for grade 2 or grade 3, they will only need to know il ou elle in the singular form or il ou elle in the plural form. So here is the verb être à l'imparfait. Il était, elle était. E accent aigu, T, A-I-T. Elle était, she was. In the plural, it is the same sound, but you add an ENT at the end. Ils étaient, with the liaison, elles étaient. E, accent aigu, T-A-I-E-N-T. Moving on to the words. The first part of the vocabulary are the characters, les personnages. Une princesse is a princess. Le prince is a prince. Une grenouille, which is a frog. Des fées, which are fairies. Un garçon, a boy. Les filles, the girls. Le loup, the wolf. La belle-mère, which is stepmother. Une sirène, which is a mermaid. Un nain, which is a dwarf. Le chevalier, which is the knight or the horseman. La sorcière, which means the witch. Many of these characters and vocabulary words have been used in previous dictées, for example, garçon, fille, grenouille, loup. Students should not be too concerned about the word, especially since we have used them many times in the past. The next part are adjectives, or words that can be used to describe these characters. The first word is charmant, ou if it's a girl, charmante with an E at the end. This means charming. Belle for a girl, beau for a garçon, means beautiful or nice. Laid, if it's a boy, ou laide, if it's a girl with the E at the end, is something ugly. Enchanté means enchanted. Fort ou forte means strong. Gentil ou gentille means nice. Jeune, and the E will be at the end for both masculine and feminine words, means young. Vieux ou vieille means old. Vieux refers to something that is old, like a boy or a man or a chevalier. Vieille is something that's feminine, sorcière, sirène. Méchant or méchante for feminine, which means mean. Content ou contente, which means happy. et, which is a conjunction word, not to be confused with il est, which is the verb that he is. Très, which means very. Again, in this section here, students should be familiar with many of the words, like est, très, jeune, belle, beau. These are all familiar words that they have already done in previous dictées. Students need to be mindful of the accord between a noun and its adjective, especially when used in a sentence. The dictée this week will be 10 sentences. It will include at least one noun, a verb, which is être, and an adjectives. I can give you an example. La sirène était très belle. La sirène était très belle. The mermaid was very beautiful. The dictée will have 10 sentences similar to that. Thank you.